History and Culture. The Terracotta Army. Silent Soldiers. In the year 210 BC, thousands of miles away from where you live, there was a land called China. Deep within this land lay a grand city named Xi'an, home to Emperor Qin Shi Huang. The emperor had an army, but not a regular one. His soldiers were made of clay and stood tall in long rows, silent sentinels for eternity. One day, a curious young boy named Li found himself wandering the busy markets of Xi'an. He marveled at the exotic trinkets and vibrant fruits displayed everywhere. It was then that he heard whispers about the mysterious army hidden beneath the city. Intrigued, Li decided to investigate these tales himself. He sneaked into a restricted area, guarded by fierce-looking soldiers. With quick steps, he followed the whispers into a hidden tunnel. As he ventured deeper into the tunnel, he found himself standing in a vast chamber illuminated by flickering torches. Before him stood thousands of silent soldiers, the legendary Terracotta Army. Li stared in amazement as he walked through the rows of soldiers, each one uniquely dressed and adorned. He could almost see the expressions on their faces, some fierce, some serious, but all silent and strong. Suddenly, he heard a voice behind him. A wise old man stood there, an ancient historian. He explained that Emperor Qin Shi Huang created the Terracotta Army to protect his tomb and ensure the safety of his empire. Li spent hours listening to the historian's stories, learning about the rich history and culture of ancient China. He felt like he was traveling through time, meeting brave warriors and wise leaders in every tale. With a newfound appreciation for ancient China, Li walked back to the bustling city. He couldn't wait to share his stories and experiences with his friends. That night, under the soft glow of lanterns, Li stood in the marketplace. He spoke passionately about the Terracotta Army and ancient China to his amazed friends. As he spoke, Li felt a strange connection, not just to his friends, but to the soldiers of the Terracotta Army and the people of ancient China. They were all part of something much bigger than themselves. With a sense of peace and wonder, Li returned to his small home. As he drifted off to sleep, he dreamt of the Terracotta Army and ancient China, a magical land full of stories yet to be discovered. The Terracotta Army taught us all about bravery, history, and unity. We learned that it takes many different soldiers to protect something precious, just like Li, who bravely explored, discovered, and shared his stories with the world.